Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the default web browser on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap on the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. Select General. In the General settings, find Default Web Browser and tap on your current default web browser. You can now choose a different web browser by clicking it. Your default web browser has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.